Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Features option, this one. Here need to choose Side Key option, and now need to activate, first of all, this Quick Launch. And how you can see, here is two options, Quick Launch Camera and Open Up. If you choose Open Up, you can select your application, maybe Maps, for example. And let's try double press our power key. And how you can see, Maps is open. And another one option is press and hold to power key. You can choose, for example, Wake Bixby or Power Off menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.